guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nazma. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the no makeup look. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So now I'm going to clean my face using a wet wipe. So now my face is cleaned. So next I'm going to use a toner. So here I'm using Dog Skin Brightening Toner. And yes, don't forget to prep your skin nicely, as we are not using more products, we are using lesser products. So you should always use more skincare just to make your skin look flawless. So here I'm using more steps like hydrating my face, using toner, blah blah blah. So I have to use it. So now I'm using this Dog's Hydrating Face Gel. So now my gel is absorbed very nicely. So next I'm going to use a moisturizer. So here I'm using a moisturizer from Dogs. So now I'm massaging my face in circular motion to let my moisturizer absorb in my face. So now my skin is well prepped and moisturized. So now I'm moving forward for my next step. So next I'm using this Garnier's BB cream. So this doesn't have any coverage, so I will be using this just to make my skin look more better version of my skin. So I'm using this. I will apply it all over my face, as it doesn't have any sort of coverage or anything. So now I'm blending it with a damn beauty blender. See, it doesn't have any coverage. It just looks like skin. So I'm applying one more layer, then we are good to go. So now I'm going to hide my dark circles and some pigmentation on my skin. So for that I'm using Makeup Revolution's foundation stick in the shade F6. So I'm just putting it on my under eyes, little bit, and some on some hair. So I'm going to blend this with my beauty blender. So now comes the most interesting part. So I'm using a tint. This is from Kiss Beauty. So I will put some on my cheeks. Start blending just to give a flush of colors to my face to look more natural. So I put some on my chin just to give a more natural look. So basically I love using tints. This gives you more natural look, and don't just apply tint directly on your face, as it will just stain your face. So try to avoid this tip. Just use a moisturizer, then put this tint. Put this tint or any other tint. Now I'm going to set my face using Rimmel's compact powder and using a dry beauty blender. So I will just use this powder under my eyes to set my lids, everything, just to give more coverage to my eyes. So I will just apply some powder lightly on my whole face. Now comes the most interesting thing, which will give you more depth and definition to your face. So here I'm using a clear soap for holding my brow hairs. So I will just slightly this is looking like more fluffier and bushy brows. I love this kind of brows for more natural looks. So next I'm going to use the eyelash curler for curling my lashes. Just slowly curl your lashes. See how it uplifts my lashes. See, this is more lifted and this is more straight, like this. And this one is more lifted. I mean, this is more curled and this is more down. So now I'm applying a clear mascara from Wet n Wild. So for my lips, I'm using the same tint. So this is the finished look. So now I'm going to use the same toner as a setting spray to just set my face. So yes, this is the finished look. So this kind of makeup I usually wear when I am not in the mood of applying any kind of heavy coverage or anything. Just kind of put together look, but in a more natural way and using lesser products. So this is the no makeup look. I hope you guys will like it. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. Until then, bye.